So hi everyone, we are at Shoptalk Europe, Europe's greatest retail event. It's been absolutely electric since we opened the doors yesterday. We're in the XL in London. It's a huge space. We've completely taken over and really made it very Shoptalky in terms of personality. There's so much going on, from kind of music playing in the registration hall to again drumming and music later on in the day, to today where we have lunches served family style, so to kind of enable more networking and kind of talking and connections, and to this super lively show floor where there are so many brilliant sponsors that have just made amazing creative spaces. Shoptalk started in 2016 in the US, and it very, very quickly scaled and grew to become the huge show that it is today. So to give you an example of scale, in March in Las Vegas, our US show took place, and we welcomed 9,000 people to the show, which is just incredible, especially after the pandemic. And there was so much pent-up demand from retailers and brands, speakers, sponsors, everyone to get together. In person, networking and collaboration and learning was just so missed during the pandemic. So that was phenomenal. And obviously here we are now in Europe. We are super thrilled to be able to bring the show to Europe.
It's great to be out, meeting lots of people again. Obviously, the COVID pandemic has really stopped these events, but I think they're so informative to learn about what's going on and have some great conversations with people. It's fantastic to be back out speaking to people again.
For me, it's been a lot of energy from the attendees. The biggest thing we'll be hearing about is how do they understand what their customers are doing on digital platforms, from mobile to web and web to mobile.
And it is really exciting to see how the market is moving ahead, how people are very interested on not only VTech, but in technology as a whole, digitalization, not only retailers, but also CPG companies trying to do D2C, traditional B2B companies trying to get to the final consumer. So yeah, if I have to choose one word, it is very exciting.
This is, truly a pan-European show. We have delegates from over 77 countries in attendance. We have over 3,000 people here, over 220 speakers, 70% of which are C-suite as well. And it's just been phenomenal. The feedback we've had from people who have just so missed getting back together.
The advice I'd give to companies is to embrace innovation, to test and learn. And I think there's so many exciting new technologies out there. Start to use them and bring them into your business as quickly as possible.
It was the most exciting registration that I've had at any conference. There's a band playing there. There's a band playing and so forth. So, it creates this buzz and this energy around the place. So yeah, it's great to be here.
Retail is undergoing a huge amount of change at the moment. We're coming out of the back of the pandemic, and we're in an environment right now of massively high inflation and rising costs and price rises.
It's interesting that COVID really led to an e-commerce acceleration for many of the retailers. And with that, pricing has become more important. In e-commerce environments, prices are more transparent. And we also saw the last years that even more traditional retailers, they really started to look at pricing automation like e-commerce players are doing.
I just want to say, a huge thank you to everyone who has supported us and has attended, and whether it's speakers, sponsors, delegates, everyone who's here. We wouldn't be able to do it without you. We really appreciate your support. We're super young, very fast growing, and we really value you, and we hope you've all had a great time.